guys see, join me, let's roast peanuts. The other day my husband went out and bought some peanuts, and today I'm going to roast them. And he's gonna help me because now both of us the chop am.
Yeah.
Not be only me, so he has to help. Every time one is there granite. So today there's granite to roast. He has to help.
I'm gonna help. Actually, I'm gonna help.
Pour it in the food.
What did I do this one?
Only chew it. This one is true, believe me, it's true. Like, throw this in a
No, let me. I'm closer.
pour it. I'm teaching him now. Tomorrow you say it's not true. You are not the one that taught me. Why are you not giving it back to me? Oh yeah, let's soak granite. Guys, we have to wash it
Yeah.
with cold water. Some people use hot water to soak it.
Yeah.
But since I'm making it now, I'll just rinse it off with cold water.
Cold water.
Thereby soaking it and then salting it.
So, what should I do now? Add water.
Yes, wash it in water.
But honey, after making this peanut, I'm gonna eat the lion shell.
Which one is the lion share? No, you eat the giraffe share or elephant share, not only lion.
See, because I'm being made to do some things now. Normally,
Like give daddy that sieve there.
normally I'm supposed to sit down.
Give him the sieve.
No, it's closer to me.
But pour it out in the sieve. Remove the spoon now. Pour it out. That is the. He's not. I will not say cook because he's not cooking anything. He's just making peanuts. Okay.
Oh,
So
wow.
now that you've rinsed it out, you put salt. Special, give daddy salt. Okay, bring salt.
Give me salt. Give me salt.
Bring the white salt.
Bring the white one.
Yes.
It's
It's not enough. Add it.
So let me put the first.
Spread it around. Spread around.
It's enough now.
Spread.
All of it.
Yes.
The one that
I'm
just.
the one teaching you something.
The one that just tell us that we are eating raw salt now.
We're covering it.
We are eating raw salt.
So you use your hand now
Okay.
and mix everything together. Turn off the kettle too.
So,
No.
so I should
Mix
continue
it.
mixing. Oh wow. This one
Okay.
we are eating
Mix it
salt now.
thoroughly
We
mix
are
it.
eating salt.
Okay, that's okay.
See how you can mix it properly. See, learn, only learn. See,
Hey,
learn
see this
something.
man.
Learn something.
See who I'm teaching something.
But did you know that you
Or they are
you can-
begging. All the food you have been eating, who is making it?
Me.
If maybe you didn't know how to cook. Divorce for the
Abi,
honestly.
imagine divorcing your wife because she knows sabi cook. What happens to teaching her?
They go divorce you. Will not be Oyibo. I'm not be Oyibo. To be honest, you go cook for us. So I know why. So what can I do?
We'll put this. We'll
Yeah.
put no. Take a bowl. Okay, put it on top of that bowl.
Here like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Bring it here. So we'll put it here and let it dry a little bit. So guys, after soaking it, you let it for a while so that it will dry a bit. Right now, it's still very much wet, but I'll go ahead and start, roasting it in my microwave oven. So first, you need a glass bowl. Very important, so that you see what you're doing.
But you are teaching me. Oh, okay.
Actually, this is not a tutorial. This is just me doing my thing.
So what are you doing with scissors?
It's a scissors we use to cut the not packet.
So it means at the moment it's useless.
Yeah, so keep it. Then you come and be doing this one. Because like I said, you are the one that always demands for the knot.
Okay, let me wash my hands again.
Yeah. As a clean man.
I'm very clean.
Hey. So I'll leave this one. I've taken the mush that I need for this.
So why did you not say I should wash my hands?
Because as long as you're in the kitchen, you still need to wash your hands.
What did I do?
So now you're going to put it in the oven. So you're going to put it.
All right, I've done that.
Now you see where the roast. See roast now.
Let me do my.
So you see where the roast peanuts.
Not seeing it anymore.
Or the see roast peanut here. See it here.
Oh, here, yeah, I've seen it.
Then press it.
Okay.
Then you press start.
6 minutes plus.
Yes, so after 6 minutes plus, put it again.
Okay.
This is how you're going to be doing it while stirring the granite and checking upon it until the
We
granite
good.
is done.
We good. We good. I'm here.
So now it's roasting, guys. Our peanut is roasting.
I make stew. Most of the time, I'm the one that makes indomie.
But who will believe you now?
Uh,
Who will believe this thing you're saying?
I make most of the food.
You think people don't know?
I make a egusi soup.
If I ask you now how to make up your soup now, you won't know.
You don't need to ask me. What you need to do is get the ingredients and let me swing it into action.
Action springer. You need to make some tea.
You know that I've not had tea since how many days now?
Why?
Because it made me to reduce drinking water. I don't know why.
It made you to reduce drinking water.
Yeah. Because before you finish this over 1 liter now, over 1 liter, this should be at least 1.5 liter.
Guys, this is sunflower tea and lavender tea. But if you are drinking tea, you are also drinking water.
Yeah, but there's nothing like water. Nothing like water.
Then what if I pour you hot water like this now?
It will be love now. No story. No story.
I beg you.
Go and tell Omona how far.
Only as it's roasting, you have to be checking it.
That's why I'm seated close to it.
But you have not opened it to check.
No, you said 6 minutes, 6
No, the
minutes.
6 minutes should not go before you
Then
check.
you should have alarm.
Where's the spoon? Where's the rest?
I kept it back.
So you need.
Wait.
You need
It's alright?
No, not that one. This one.
Alright.
You need it.
So I should.
So you bring it out.
It's alright?
And
As,
you stir.
I'm not going to spill it.
And when it's ready now, we know it's good. It's good. You can put it back before this thing will stop. Stop. You don't have to waste time.
I'm doing lots of work here.
You are the one I'm teaching now.
1
When
minute
it
more.
gets to 1 minute starting,
Okay.
then you check it
So
again.
actually 40 seconds from now.
Yeah.
It's hot.
You can use your hand.
Ah. So
Comb your hair, brush your hair.
So I still have to stay, right?
Yes, stay it.
All right.
Okay, put it back. Charles and Charles. Granite roaster.
I'm teaching you something.
The lion.
So honey, I'll press start, right?
Start, yes.
I'm teaching you something.
You are teaching me what? Roasting of granite.
How to roast peanuts.
Peanut.
You want to see who taught me how to roast peanuts?
Something that you inherited from me.
I hate the teaching. Jesus Christ.
He inherited it from you. Inherited it from you. Shut up. He inherited it from you and he's telling you now.
So
This one that has not the highest thing special has cooked is noodles.
Oatmeal, you forgot oatmeal.
Which oatmeal? The one I helped you finish up that day.
Yeah, but I still didn't have.
Yeah, well, you are trying a bit, just little by.
Can you imagine that I inherited from him?
Teaching you things.
No. This boy that has not even finished. Please shift.
So turn it on again. Don't
Oh.
bring it out. Just press it again.
Roast
Roast.
start.
No. Roast first.
Yes?
Roast is the last one.
Roast.
Press
No.
roast.
Press it.
Press
Is that right?
roast peanut.
No, that one. Yeah. Look, the bottom
Alright.
one, yeah. See what I see?
Okay.
I didn't know like that.
I thought you had.
You taught me. I wasn't wearing eyeglass, and it is too tiny.
Is that your excuse?
No, I needed to wear eyeglass to see it properly. Hey, this stuff is going away.
But we ended up not buying it.
Let me shift it.
You know I have a kitchen glove, right? That is used for making
carrying all
this
stuff. So what did you-
It's there now. Look for it. You have to wear it.
The blue one.
No, the red one.
Come find it. Come find it.
Down.
Don't scatter things there.
One day I was roasting chicken,
And then oil.
and I wanted not oil, oh, the hot rod now.
Oh.
I wanted to carry. That's why it's good to protect your hand.
Yeah.
I wanted to carry it out. My hand touched it.
Imagine if it does not.
Right? To just tear your skin.
Hey, don't have if this thing have burnt your hand, then the beauty is over now. The marriage will be over.
I'll be from burnt hand.
Ha,
It's not even face or hand.
hand. How can you marry
Ask your
somebody?
daddy. Ask your daddy if
How
this
can
is-
you continue
ask him
marrying
if-
somebody
if
that
this is love.
burnt her hand?
Okuchukwu, does it sound like someone that loves his wife? Eh? So, it will be fair that you are married to someone that you call the love of your life, and somehow you got burnt from making the food that you eat, and suddenly marriage is over because you got yourself burnt.
Normally she's supposed to be mindful of what she's doing, knowing that marriage, for some people, all right, wholeness, completeness is involved in marriage.
Wholeness, completeness. But you marry the person who
Yeah.
just by accident.
So why would there be accident?
So
Meaning
if
that
it
you
was-
weren't-
if you were
meaning
the
that
one-
you weren't careful.
No. So she wasn't careful in trying to make your food.
Yeah.
But all what you are more concerned about is that she burnt her skin and
Okay, hold on.
marriage is over. What
Hold
if
on.
it was you?
Hold on. If you went to a restaurant, would you gonna be asking them if the person that made the food got burnt?
Because you will not see them now. All you know is your food.
Good. So if you are cooking here, I'm not seeing it. All I know is the food.
So since you know that all you know is the food, why would you not divorce the woman, not
No,
me?
no, yes. I assume that while making the food, you be mindful. All right, knowing that you know your wholeness is inclusive in the marriage. How can you just come out and enjoy yourself and then you are telling me that it's by accident?
Come out and enjoy yourself.
And
from
then-
making the food that you're going to eat.
So because I'm going to eat the food, then you go there and put your head and put your hand and enjoy yourself.
Fiction, because how can more accidents
Nigerian movies, that's
of
what.
injury?
I don't know what
I
what-
mean,
what-
if your hand is injured from there, that means you probably won't be able to cook anymore.
Okay.
Then you
So
become a
all is
So I become
done.
a liability.
All is done.
So I become a liability. So instead of me to become a liability,
I think
it's
it's-
okay.
Hey, no, get out
No,
of
it's
here.
okay, it's okay.
Eh?
So instead of me to become a liability, it's better he divorce me, right?
You can't make any more food for her.
Especially be careful because you might not eat today. Oh.
You can't make any more food for her, and then
I know at least it's my entitlement on my right.
In every content you make, you
On my
guys
right.
get money.
Eh?
I'm not against it.
In
So
every
you
content make,
defend her today.
From what I remember, the last
Leave
content
that
was
thing
made,
there.
you and what?
Let's take it. Don't remove the chair. Do something. Huh. So
You can't be out small
this thing now.
hotness. Small hotness.
So you
Can't
not
be.
eat. You not eat. You can't take out the way.
Take your hands away.
Take out the way. Take out the way. Ah! You live here. Ah.
Pressure.
Move away.
See this man. He wants to put asunder between husband and wife.
No.
I'll deal with you. Only give me.
Special.
Give me. Don't mind him.
I can open the shop.
No, it's not ready. Okay, give me.
It's not ready.
No, it's not.
Give me.
But even when it's ready, it's going to be still soft. Like
Yeah, after a while.
yeah, then after a while it will harden up.
But it's not ready now.
No, it's not. It's not. But the aroma is coming out.
One more.
No, bring it out. Let's turn it. Guys, we are still making our peanut. It's almost coming.
It's almost there.
I think it's okay. Oh.
You sure?
Yes, it's turned brown now. See,
Oh yeah. So
it's okay now. Ow!
you can't hold it on.
Why am I spilling it now? In the process of turning it.
It's
See?
on up to me.
So how you know is you open it up and see it's
Yeah.
golden brown.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's golden brown. So it's ready. So I'm just gonna pour it out on the tray.
All right, let me be doing it now. Wait now.
Pour it out. Spread it.
So let's hold this up.
Yeah, do another one.
On the hold the one on that. Don't worry, I'm doing it.
So this is enough. So we start again.
So I'll put it back there.
Put it on roast.
Yeah.
Roast peanuts and start. So that's how we do it.
No, you leave. We don't leave.
That's how we roast peanuts. I think the next one we have to. We don't have to let it get this
Extent.
shade of brownness.
Yeah, it's too brown. It's too brownish.
It's not burnt, but
So do you call it brownish or you call it so browny?
on the little English for people that speak English. Like I gave you a cup to rinse and give me. Where did you keep it?
I think it's
Huh?
overdone now. Huh? I think it's overdone.
No, it's okay. When it cools down now, you see that it's okay.
Yeah.
Don't throw it away. See.
Well, you put it in that one.
So we leave it to cool down before we
It's not that hard.
shell it. So this is what it looks like. Making your own peanuts is the best, to be honest.
Yeah.
You get the taste that you want.
Eat it, man.
See? Very nice.
What English did you guys speak?
Why your color is in now?
What are the side effects of marriage?
Side effect of marrying. Nice. This granite is so yummy.
With the way mommy is talking about, she's gonna finish it before.
You guys will finish it before it's ready.
Like I was saying, I need to tell this, but why your color is in now? What English did you guys speak?
Why your color is in now?
What are the side effects of marriage?
Side effect of marrying. Especially you're making people believe that I don't know how to speak English. Really me that taught you people English from when you were a baby. See this one.
I'm sure it must have been nice.
You say? Why your color is inside?
Oh boy,
Study English.
God have mercy. 5, 4,
3,
Oh,
2, 1, 0.
zero.
come back on that. Oh,
It's gonna spill. That's why you need to spill.
It's so
No, don't try. You're
First
going to
step.
spill it.
yes.
Put it back. Like after eating this thing like this, you're not going to eat another one. All you are doing here is eat because you kept salt. Kept salt that the cover that gave you to keep.
Now come back here.
Sasha, what have you contributed here?
I've contributed to talking
I need you on
in this video.
You on the roster.
All your clothes. He's busy eating granite.
Get out.
If you don't live here now, this one is singing.
Don't block me.
Alive is awake and he's helping us kill the granite. Others are busy eating the granite. Honey, now have you forgotten the one in the microwave? Bring it out. Let's say it.
See,
See who is
you
cooking.
leave.
Who's going to live there?
I'll go up to you. This
Yeah.
is a
We have two.
Peeling the peanuts.
Can I help?
There's no space here.
You're not here to help. You want
It's
to
not
eat
like
the
you are helping. You are busy eating
I
peanuts.
can help.
No space. No space. Thank you for your help. But there ain't no space here.
Not throw it.
My life is already here. If you put your hand here, you start shouting. Yay. Right? Bye. I'm surprised your hands are not all over the ground. You want to go? Go. Go and watch TV.
No.
Okay. I want to drink Gary with this peanut now. Better Gary. Give it on 2 minutes. Like 2 minutes.
Oh, yeah. Hey, listen, try to like get up and
Now almost got burnt.
yeah, okay.
But we'll not let the other one.
Yes, I reminded you of it.
We are done shelling it. I'm gonna blow some air out of it a bit in it. Blow away the shells or the peel, as you may call it, and it will be ready. Let me do it.
Yeah, go.
You want to carry it?
Yeah.
I have to blow it. See, like this.
Wait, Mama, to blow. Wait.
I have to blow.
Hold your hand.
Daddy, carry him.
Come. Yeah, what okay? Yes.
Take. Is he playing?
2 minutes.
Take.
Go.
Take.
Hold him there.
Woo! Granite made with love. This is the yummiest peanut ever. Yummiest. If you have a microwave oven that has a peanut roasting, what do they call it? Peanut roasting bottom.
Okay.
Then you can actually make your own.
You know that?
Miss English.
Peanut roasting function. Peanut roasting function.
Peanut roasting function. Peanut roasting button. Once the button is there, no be the function.
Of course.
Uh-huh.
No, I'm not getting you. English is not our language. They should even be happy that we are speaking it. All right. Well done.
So, let me put it in the container.
Let me help you one. You miss it though.
Yes. I have to remove it first.
Yeah.
So that I'll have space. All done, guys. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching me roast peanut. Actually, for watching me teach my wife how to roast peanut.
Thank you guys for watching me roast mommy.
Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much, and see you guys on our next one. Bye. Mwah.